guys, today we are going to take the Civic to a event at the Adelaide International Raceway. I'll put the details up here. Should be a good fun event. It's a family fun day, but you get to cruise the track. I think there's going to be some drag cars there, so it should be good. We're taking the Civic, all loaded up, full of E85, ready to go. It's not going to be like a full drag day, but from what I see, they have some cool things to do, some fun eventy things. So yeah, very keen to go. I think they may be trying to like revamp the track or something. I'm not too sure why they're hosting this day today, but I think it should be some good fun. Yeah, so we are gonna go do that now. Seems right. Hasn't come off yet. I'll be back in a second. I just got to go do the little waiver. Yeah. Where's the coffee at?
Double shot mocha!
Future of Adelaide International Raceway and what may or may not happen down here.
You see these, Tyler? These are drag race cars for like not adults. These are for kids or younger people. Would you drive one?
No.
Why not? That'd be fun, Tyler. You'd love it. Come on. Yeah, it is. Spotto.
I've got cars that are going to need to come out, and I've got people waiting here to go.
Where do we line up?
They posted them look like money, yep, and they know it. Ryan's filling the cup. Bartender, you know I'm a poet. Got me feeling outlandish. Also, damn, I'm a grower. Tell my niggas what's happening.
You see the screen? All you have to do is hold it. You just hold a bit further down, hold it really tight, and just make sure it's like facing straight. You can film me, you can film cars out the window. You're the cameraman. You got it?
Whipping the money like 4 ways. Grind time, no off days. Whipping the legal when crime pays. Do it for my people, rockin' no J's. Work for myself, I ain't no slave. Bankroll, bankroll, bankroll.
As I said, Azalea, we're not doing a drag racing day.
Yeah, but we're going fast back there.
Yeah, can you see how it's got walls? That means we can go fast in there. We're not racing, we're just driving around having fun, doing laps.
In a minute, we're going to go fast. Did one.
Maybe 3.
Why don't they tell you how many laps they've done total?
I don't know. It's fun though.
Yeah. It's mega fun.
I'm glad they did this.
I'm glad I was capping my head off.
Capping your head off?
To explain that we were actually going to do drag racing, but we weren't.
That was clutch.
Can I hold
go again because Azalea wants to go, so we'll let her have a go.
It's giving me it. Luckily that wait, what? There's a skyline? It's red.
Getting good footage, Azalea?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And I'm really interested on the whole entire track. That if there's no walls, we can go slow, and if there's walls, we can go fast.
Yep.
Why don't we have roll cages? What are roll
I probably should, but I don't.
What are roll cages? Roll cages are like that green car back there.
And the one in front of it's got a red one.
Yeah, they have roll cages to keep them safe. But I don't think we need any. They're on the window. Oh, the memories. What?
There's 2 cars that are off the track.
Are we going to help them?
No, I think they're just broken down. It's good fun, isn't it? Yeah? And then we'll go for some more runs, but this is real fun. They're actually letting us have a decent pull down the track. Yeah, no, good fun. Adelaide International Raceway. Good to be here again. But yeah, now we're here at the track with the Civic.
International Raceway, food and drinks over there. But this track is so good. You should just think about it, boy.
We got motorbikes doing wheelies. Got a hole in the headlight. Looks like they want to race. good time. I was trying to kind of get a run with you, but
I was like,
damn it.
I seen you. I was like, cool, I'll pull up next to him because I was behind you. I was like, yep, we'll get the run. I was like, nah, slow car. I was like,
Yeah.
fuck. That being said, I didn't feel like losing too much. So.
Fair. I was just spinning the whole way, man.
You're One Nation, he's running the One Nation. So this wasn't just about... Darryl and I had a chat about what could happen out here. So Darren had a little plan and we made it this big plan. Give Darryl a big round of applause. We need to get this track back, particularly for us, lowering of racing. Back here and get off the streets and put it back in a safe environment.
I'm not going to bore you with any political speech or anything like that. You guys know I'm running for One Nation. To me, it's all about bringing the community together. That's the whole purpose of doing it here. You guys told me, I survey people, you guys told me this is what you want.
Hey guys, I just want to follow up on the end of that video. I just want to give a massive shout out to Darryl, the One Nation Party, for hosting that event and making that happen. Hopefully we see more events at Adelaide International Raceway. It was an awesome day, really fantastic, went way above expectations. There was other events on that day which probably drew a lot of the crowd that would have been there away, so I think we would have seen a way bigger crowd if some of those other big motorsport events weren't on the same weekend. I know people that said they wanted to go and they'd already booked tickets and organised accommodation and things for other events that were on. So I think if they did it on a weekend that didn't have so much stuff on, the crowds would have been even bigger and it would have been an even bigger event, but it was absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed it. The kids loved it. We had heaps of fun. There was heaps of stuff to do. It was great to see the whole automotive community in Adelaide come together and get around the Adelaide International Raceway. Family fun day. Let's get things going again. Let's get the Adelaide International Raceway back going, whether it's quarter mile or eighth mile drags. I think there's a few things in discussion. They just need the support there, so if we can just rally everybody around getting events back to AIR, supporting all of the businesses that get involved, supporting the event organizers, buying tickets, get things cranking again, it will be a fantastic opportunity. I certainly don't want my kids missing out on the memories that they could make there, the same sort of memories I made back in the day. So absolutely fantastic event. Thanks again for everybody who did the organizing. We really enjoyed it. I think the whole community really enjoyed it. Looking forward to more to come, looking forward to more motorsport events. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you were there, make sure to leave a comment and let us know what you thought of the day. If you weren't able to make it, leave a comment if you would come to an event like this, if it's something that looks like it would interest you. Let's rally the community around. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm, helps get these videos out there and supports our channel. I really look forward to doing more videos like this and getting content for all of the events that happen all across South Australia and Australia. I'm keen to do more with my drift car. I'm building a rally car. I've got the Turbo Civic, obviously, so there's heaps of stuff going on. I've bought a Mark IV Supra and I'm going to be doing some videos on respraying that and making it nice and clean, just a nice clean summer cruiser. So going to do that through this winter. So stick around. We've got heaps of stuff coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep updated with everything that's happening. Thanks again. I'm Zach from Lifestyle Motorsport and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm a true champion.